Hi, this is Mr. Rooks, and I'm going to take you through this practice problem dealing with Graham's law. And so the question reads, a balloon containing helium effuses at 1/3 its volume in 12 hours. How long would it take for another balloon containing chlorine to lose 1/2 its volume under identical conditions? So what we want to do first is we want to come up with the rate. And we want to come up with the rate between helium and chlorine. So if you remember, Graham's law is the rate of 1 over the rate of 2, and that is equal to the square root of the molar mass of 2 over the molar mass of 1. So we're going to let R1 equal helium. So, and we're going to say that we don't know what the rate is for helium, so we're going to let that equal X. We're then going to say that the rate for chlorine is going to be R2, and we're going to call that 1. Again, I always like to have the X on the top of the fraction, might as well. So that is going to be equal to, and now we're going to come over here and we're going to take the square root of the molar mass of 2. Now we said the molar mass of 2, since R2 is referring to the chlorine, we're going to take the molar mass of chlorine, which is 70.9, divided by the molar mass of helium, which is 4. So if we do that, we divide 70.9 by 4, we get about 17.7. We then take the square root of that. We're going to get a value of X being 4.2. So we're going to say that basically helium effuses at a rate 4.2 times faster than that of chlorine. So now, if we go back to the original problem, the helium effuses 1/2 its volume in 1/3 of its volume in 12 hours. So how long would it take for its entire volume to be effused? Obviously, if 1/3 is 12 hours, then 3/3 would be equal to 36 hours. All right. We said already that helium effuses 4.2 times faster than the chlorine. So now what we need to do is we need to take our 36 and multiply it by 4.2. And so times 4.2. And what we will find is it will take now chlorine 151.2 hours to effuse. And now the follow-up was actually, well, how long will it take half its volume? Well, we just divide 151.2 by 2. And so half of the chlorine will effuse in 75.6 hours. And that's how you solve this type of effusion problem. All right, I hope that helped you out. See you in class.